I took a bold decision of quitting my job as a software developer. Even though it's high paying, I quit my job as a software developer. People around me were questioning me, why did you even do that? You don't have any offer and all that. But in my mind, I was clear. I want to be a product manager. So I quit my job. I joined IPL, and then now I'm a product manager at Practo. Hi, this is Aditya. I'm currently working as Associate Product Manager at Practo. I graduated from NIT Surathkal in the year 2017 from computer science engineering background. So as any computer science engineer, even I was really interested in coding. Why coding? Because of two reasons. One, you get to solve complex problems. And second follows. Because you solve complex problems, you feel that you're the smartest guy in the room. Not just kidding. After that, I was lucky that I was fortunate enough to get placed at a well-known software development company. There, I was really fascinated because my coding skills were put to use and that these coding skills would actually help thousands of people around me. So one year down the line, I did like any other software developer, just developing stuff and then delivering it. But then 2 years down the line, that's when I realized that I wanted to do something more. So I started contributing my own ideas, be it automating the existing processes or finding some flaw in the design and all that. But people started getting back to me saying that you be a product manager, that would be really good and people would actually respect your ideas. That got me into thinking as in what is product management, or where do I do, or how do I get into product management? So that's when things started to change. I was given more and more work, not only software development. I also ventured into kind of program management, wherein you get to see the business aspect of a product. That's when my first interaction with the product management started. Not actually product management, but then getting to know the business side of a product. When I decided that I wanted to become a product manager, so I went online and started researching. So how do I become product manager? What skills do I need to be product manager? So one thing was common, that you need to have an MBA. Why MBA is needed? Because as a product manager, you not only solve problems, but also you have to keep in mind the business side of the product, the marketing, the sales, the tech, and everything. And doing an MBA is really helpful because you get all this flavor in those 2 years. But as I said, I was not in a situation where I would prefer an MBA. So that's when I came across product leadership. So I started researching product leadership everywhere online. What made IPL stood apart from other institutes was because of two reasons. One is the mentor, and the second one is the dedicated placement cell. Talking about mentors, so everywhere you get mentors, but the quality of mentors is really different here. For me, the main part in learning is the quality of feedback you get and how you improve upon them. Here, I found out that you can choose your mentor whenever you want to. You get a dedicated portal wherein you can choose your mentor, you can interact with them. The best part was their quality of feedback. These mentors are not like 5 years or 10 years into the industry. They are 15 to 20 years of dedicated product management expertise. In most of my interviews, the failed interviews, the main comment which I got, or the feedback which I got, was I lacked product thinking. At that time, I did not understand what product thinking actually was. But with the course introduction, I got a flavor of product thinking, and 2 months down the course, I started deliberately using it every time. As a software developer, I always ventured into the solution space. I was just given with a problem and I had to come up with a lot of solutions. So, which is not ideal for a product manager. So even in my starting interviews where I failed, I was given this constant feedback that I lacked product thinking. So my first 2 months here gave me the flavor of product thinking. And it not only helped me professionally, but also helped me to take better choices in my personal life as well. So many of you might have this doubt. Who exactly is a product manager? Is he an entrepreneur? Or is he a sales guy? Or is he a marketing guy? Who is he? He's like the orchestrator for the entire productizing process. What do I mean by productizing process? Starting from the idea phase to the product phase. It's really difficult to get this product market fit because everyone would think that if you have an idea, you can build great products. So product is not about only idea. It is also the balance between the business as well as the solving the correct user problems. And that's where I think the product manager comes into the picture. It's this balance that makes these product managers a very high valuable asset to any organization. And I feel that in next 5 to 10 years, you would see that these product managers are easily the most valuable asset in any given organizations.